We're ready for our room tour. Beautiful decor, everything looks so new. As we came into the room, we saw that we have our complimentary bottles of water and snack because we are now the next loyalty level up. We're now Emerald, so that comes with a drink preference and a snack. Also, as you come in the room, they're going to have a little video showing, trying to help you know about the safety briefings and all that. We have waiting for us on the bed our new loyalty status pins and our tickets to the shore excursion that we booked and welcome aboard letters. There's even more storage above the bed. A closet with a safe right beside the bed with 2 more drawers. And a closet right beside the bathroom. I don't think I've ever had this much storage space in a general balcony cabin. And to the bathroom, they do remind you not to trip because there is a step there at the threshold. Beautiful tile. You'll see they have 1 dispenser for shower, body wash, and shampoo. If you don't like their generic 2-in-1, you can always bring your toiletries from home. A couple of shelves above the mirror there. Nice sink area that's just a little elevated from the shelf. I like that. I like the little hook right outside the bathroom door. You'll notice you have to turn the lights on while you're still outside of the bathroom. Okay, let's check out the rest of the room. TV has this little compartment underneath it. You could store a few things in there if you wished. You'll notice there are several drawers for storage. A nice little desk. They provided 2 masks and a bottle of hand sanitizer. And it tells us to make sure that we report if we are sick. There are US outlets, USB ports, European outlets, a sign telling us that ice is available upon request, and we will ask our cabin steward for that. A nice full-length mirror so you can check yourself out when you're dressed. Yep, it just is what it is. On the back of our door, it reminds you about closing the balcony door because it really will slam the other door. This little nice sign on the back of the door is magnetic, so you put it on the outside of the door if you're ready for them to make up your room or if you want them not to disturb you. So you just flip it from side to side. The back of the door also tells us where our assembly station is for this particular ship. Now let's go out and check out the balcony. I love this kind of deck chair where they have the little stools underneath the chair so you can use it as a footstool. Wonderful, on a little table. Our cabin is port side, and I love this location because we're kind of in an inset. The boat juts out a little to our right and it juts out a little to our left. And we're kind of set back, which means we've got a large cover above us. And I enjoy the shade when I'm on my balcony. We are docked close to the Celebrity Equinox in Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. We can see it's raining off in the distance. We had a very quick thunder shower a few moments ago, and we did not get wet on our deck. I am going to love this location.